Have you ever wondered why 99% of people never manage to escape poverty? It's not because they don't work hard, it's because they're following the wrong plan. But you're about to discover the secret that Warren Buffett, one of the richest and wisest men in the world, rarely shares. If you don't know him, he's the billionaire who has built his fortune by investing smartly and strategically for over 6 decades. And the best part? You don't need thousands of dollars to start, just 6 months and a clear strategy. If you're truly tired of living on the edge, trapped in debt, or seeing no progress, this video is for you. Today, as a successful entrepreneur, I'm going to show you the exact path to transform your financial life with simple strategies that even someone with limited resources can apply. This isn't just theory, it's the roadmap that the wealthy already know and don't want you to discover. Are you ready to change your life in just 6 months? Stay with me until the end, because I'll give you the most powerful key at the very last moment. 1. Spend wisely. One of the biggest obstacles to achieving financial freedom is spending without thinking about the future. Have you ever wondered how many times you've spent money on things you didn't really need, only to regret it later? This is a habit that Warren Buffett has avoided his entire life, and it's a key factor in building wealth. Buffett suggests a simple rule. Calculate the value of what you want to buy based on the number of work hours it takes to earn that money. For example, if you're thinking about buying an expensive car, ask yourself how many hours you'll have to work to pay for it. Is it really worth investing that much time and effort into something that might just be a temporary luxury? The idea is to start seeing money as the time you invest to earn it. And if you're not willing to sacrifice that time, then maybe it's not a smart purchase. This approach will help you become more mindful of how you spend your money and prioritize what you really need, especially if you're in a growth phase financially. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself of everything, but about making decisions that bring you closer to your long-term goals. Spending wisely not only protects your finances, but it also gives you the freedom to use your money on things that truly matter to you. 2. Make your money work for you. Invest. Stashing your money in a savings account, or worse, under your mattress, is almost like watching it slowly disappear. Did you know that every year, your money loses value because of inflation? You might think you're saving, but in reality, if you're not investing, you're losing value without realizing it. Warren Buffett has always said that the true secret to wealth is making your money work for you. It doesn't matter if you don't have millions. The important thing is to start moving that money so it can grow. Buffett recommends that everyone should invest, even if it's in safe options like savings accounts with interest rates that beat inflation. But where you'll really see results is by investing in stocks, funds, or even small businesses. As Buffett says, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. And nothing could be more true. Letting your money work for you is what will make the difference in your financial life. Think about this. What would happen if, instead of letting your money sit stagnant, you started putting it to work? That way, your money would be producing more 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, even while you sleep. Remember, you don't need to become an expert overnight. The key is to start small, learn about investments, and most importantly, be patient. Over time, this habit could be your ticket to long-lasting financial stability. 3. Work in unconventional environments. Sometimes the best ideas don't come from an office or behind a desk. Have you noticed that some of your best ideas pop up in the most unexpected moments and places? Warren Buffett knows this well. In fact, one of his quirkiest habits is observing the market while in everyday places, like when he stops at McDonald's. Buffett has mentioned in interviews that his moments of inspiration don't always happen in his office. They often come when he's out, enjoying his day-to-day life. The key is to break out of the routine and find inspiration in unconventional places. Albert Einstein, for example, wrote some of his most important papers from a patent office, a job completely unrelated to physics. Stepping out of your usual environment can often give you a fresh, creative perspective. Buffett is a living example of this. He likes to make important decisions while doing simple activities, like driving or stopping at a restaurant. These moments allow him to reflect and analyze the market from a different angle. You don't need to be in a boardroom to have a great idea. Sometimes the best decisions come when you least expect them. What would happen if, instead of always being stuck in the same place, you started exploring other situations to generate new ideas? Maybe in a coffee shop, during a walk, or even while riding public transportation. Changing your environment can unlock opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed. Remember, it's not about working more, but about working smarter. By changing your surroundings and breaking out of your routine, you not only encourage creativity, but also open yourself up to see opportunities that others, stuck in their comfort zones, would never notice. 4. Invest in yourself. The best asset you have is yourself. Have you ever thought about how much more you could achieve if you invested time and resources into improving your own skills? Warren Buffett is clear on this. The safest and most valuable investment you can make is in yourself. Whether it's through education, developing new skills, or personal growth, everything you invest in yourself will pay off in the long run. Buffett says, "The more you learn, the more you earn." And he's a living example of this. Despite being one of the richest people in the world, Buffett is still an avid reader. He spends about 80% of his day reading and learning, a habit he started when he was young. In fact, one of the moments that changed his life was when he took a public speaking course by Dale Carnegie, which helped him overcome his fear of speaking in public and improve his communication skills. That investment in his own development allowed him to become the great communicator and leader he is today. Every skill you acquire, every book you read, and every course you take makes you more valuable in the job market or in business. Think about this. If you invest in developing new skills, improving your financial knowledge, or even learning how to communicate better, you'll be building a solid foundation that will allow you to earn more and be better prepared to seize opportunities. Imagine how much you could increase your income if you mastered a skill that's in demand in your industry. Remember, you'll never lose what you learn. Unlike other investments like stocks or material goods, knowledge and skills are assets that will always stay with you and give you the competitive advantage you need to stand out. So, the next time you think about where to invest your time or money, don't hesitate to invest it in yourself, because the one investment that always pays off is the one you make to become a better version of yourself. 5. Avoid irresponsible use of credit cards. Credit cards can become a financial trap if you don't use them carefully. Have you ever felt like your credit card debt piles up faster than you can pay it off? Warren Buffett warns about the huge danger of credit card debt, especially due to the high interest rates that can quickly spiral out of control. Buffett has always been clear on this point. If you can't pay off your credit card at the end of the month, you're in trouble. The best strategy is to limit your use of credit cards to only what's strictly necessary, and most importantly, pay off those debts before any other expenses. High interest rates can eat up your income quickly, creating a vicious cycle that's hard to escape. Remember, keep your finances under control by avoiding the temptation to use credit without thinking. Every dollar you pay in interest is money you could be investing to grow your wealth. And if you want to learn more about how to make the best use of credit cards, leave a comment right now with the words credit card. That way, I'll know you're interested, and I'll create a special video on this topic. 6. Cutting unnecessary expenses. One of the most common mistakes people make is spending on things they don't really need. How many times have you paid for a subscription you don't use, or eaten out more than necessary, only to realize that those small expenses add up quickly? Warren Buffett frequently mentions this. Seemingly insignificant expenses can be the biggest obstacle to achieving financial independence. Buffett has always been a strong advocate for frugality and financial awareness. Reducing spending on excessive entertainment or services that don't add real value can make a big difference in your ability to save and invest. Regularly review where your money is going and ask yourself if you really need those services or products. The simple act of canceling subscriptions you no longer use or cutting back on unnecessary outings can free up a significant amount of money. Think about this. What would happen if the money you're spending on things you don't use was redirected toward investments or savings? Imagine how much faster you could move toward financial freedom if you eliminated those small expenses that don't bring you value. Remember, it's not about cutting all the pleasures out of your life, but about being more aware of where your money is going. Every dollar you don't spend on unnecessary things is a dollar you can use to build your financial future. Cutting those expenses becomes bigger steps toward your financial goals. Avoiding gambling and risky bets. Have you ever been tempted by the idea of getting rich overnight? Gambling and risky investments may seem exciting, but Warren Buffett warns that this is the fastest path to financial loss. The odds of making money from gambling are extremely low, and most of the time you end up losing more than you win. Buffett has always advocated for a long-term investment mindset, focused on patience and discipline. Fast money rarely stays in your hands. Instead of betting your savings on something uncertain, it's much smarter to make safe and consistent investments that grow over time. It may not be as thrilling as winning the lottery, but what really matters is maintaining and steadily increasing your wealth. Remember, true wealth isn't built overnight. Financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Gambling might give you a temporary thrill, but investing with patience will give you long-term security. 8. Be frugal and careful with small expenses. One of the most fascinating aspects of Warren Buffett is that even as one of the richest men in the world, he's never lost his frugal mindset. If you're wondering what it means to be frugal, my entrepreneurial friend, it's simply about living moderately and mindfully, spending only on what truly matters and avoiding unnecessary waste. It's not about depriving yourself, but about being smart with every expense. A famous example is when Buffett used discount coupons at McDonald's, something that might surprise a lot of people. But here's the lesson. Buffett understands that every small saving counts, and being careful with minor expenses has a big impact in the long run. Frugality is a virtue, even when you have money. Many times we don't pay attention to small expenses because they seem insignificant, but those expenses add up quickly. Being mindful of your daily financial details allows you to save more and maintain a growth mindset. For example, if you notice you're buying coffee every day or paying for monthly subscriptions that you regularly use, consider changing your strategy. Buying that coffee in bulk or paying for subscriptions annually can save you a good amount of money. Those small changes in your financial habits may seem insignificant, but over time, they add up and help you save more. Remember, every small saving is a step toward a more solid financial future. Frugality isn't deprivation. It's a smart way to manage your resources so they benefit you in the long run. 9. Think long-term. In a world where instant gratification is the norm, thinking long-term can be a real challenge. But Warren Buffett has always emphasized the importance of having a long-term vision, both in investments and in personal life. Have you ever wondered how your financial decisions today will impact the next 10, 20, or even 50 years? Buffett uses a simple but powerful analogy. You can't have a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. Important things in life, like building wealth, require time, patience, and discipline. Financial success doesn't happen overnight. It's cultivated with smart decisions that, over time, bear great fruit. Think about this. Every time you make a financial decision, ask yourself how it will impact your future. Will this investment, expense, or saving bring you closer to your long-term goals? Planning and thinking beyond the present is what will set you apart in achieving long-term success. Remember, financial success is a game of patience. If you can maintain discipline and focus on the big picture, the decisions you make today will benefit you tremendously in the future. 10. Avoid unnecessary risks. How many times have you been tempted by the possibility of a big, quick gain, but with a lot of risk? One of Warren Buffett's fundamental principles is to never risk what you need for something you want. This means not jeopardizing your financial stability by chasing risky investments that could collapse at any moment. Buffett is known for meticulously evaluating risks before making decisions. Financial success isn't just about winning. It's about protecting what you already have. Even if an opportunity looks promising, if the risk is too high and you could lose what you've worked so hard to achieve, it's not worth it. Remember, avoid financial decisions that put your current stability at risk. Protecting your assets is just as important as growing your wealth. The best investments are the ones that let you sleep soundly at night, knowing you aren't risking what you've already earned. Implementing these habits isn't always easy, but remember that big changes start with small steps. Every decision you make today can bring you closer to that financial stability you've been striving for. I'd love to know which of these habits you think is the hardest to implement for you, and why. Leave me a comment with your answer and let me know which country you're watching from. I want to see how far this community reaches. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more content that will help you improve your finances and reach your goals. If you're looking for more ways to implement good financial habits, check out this video on Dave Ramsey's 6 habits you need to follow if you're earning little. It'll give you plenty of practical ideas to start transforming your financial life today.